This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Chromecast and switching the TV to its HDMI input. Once done, open Google Home on your phone and grant Bluetooth and location access so the app can find the device. Make sure your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want to use if possible, or be ready to enter the new SSID and password. If the Chromecast is already on a different network, perform a quick factory reset so it broadcasts its setup beacon for pairing. Next, tap the plus symbol, choose Setup Device and New Device, then pick your home. The app will scan and list the Chromecast, select it, and confirm the pairing code displayed on the TV to ensure a secure connection. When prompted, pick the Wi-Fi network you want and carefully type the password. Password typos are the most common failure. Choose 5 GHz for faster throughput if signal strength is strong, otherwise pick 4 GHz for better range, and after selecting the network and entering credentials, let the Chromecast finalize setup and apply any updates. Then name the device and assign it to a room so voice and casting work correctly. Test casting from a simple app like YouTube. If the stream fails, reboot your router and power cycle the Chromecast, then try again. If you still can't connect, check your router for MAC address filtering or captive portals. As a last resort, perform a factory reset and repeat the setup sequence carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.